Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about how you can start investment in stock market. So here are the 10 steps to start investment in stock market. Step 1, understand the entire process. On top of the hierarchy, SEBI exists. Then we have exchanges and depository. At third level, we have brokers, and at the fourth level, we have clients. Now, let us understand all these four departments, organizations work in detail. On top of the hierarchy, as I said, SEBI stands. This organization works as the capital market regulator. All the rules, regulations are made by the SEBI. After SEBI, the stock exchange and depository stands parallelly. Stock exchange functions as the trading platform provider across all the country in India. We have BSE and NSE. You can trade on both exchanges, however, the volumes are higher in NSE. At the same level, we have depository which records all the securities with it in the demat form. At the third level, brokers comes. We'll explain the role of the broker in the upcoming step. Lastly, clients means people like us comes. Step 2. Understand what is an asset. Assets are of two types, physical asset and financial asset. Physical asset means which can be seen or touched like cash, house, jewelry, etc. Whereas the financial asset means shares, mutual funds, bonds, etc. With the increasing awareness, people are now become more attractive towards the financial assets. Step 3. Trading versus investment. Trading means you are putting money in stocks, commodities, currencies for a short period of time, whereas investment can happen only in shares for long term. You can go for only or both trading and investment options for yourself depending on your time frame. Step 4. Get educated. It is really up to get familiar with the stock market. If you will start investing in stock market without having proper knowledge, then you might lose all your hard earned money. To increase your understanding about stock market, you may take a course, get certified. If you want to take course, you can visit our website. The link is mentioned in the below description box. Step 5. Decide the respective asset as per your need. Each asset class, be it shares, gold, bond, etc., has its own advantages or disadvantages. Some are risky, some are less risky. Some gives you more return, some gives you less return. Once you get educated on the different asset class structure, you would be able to take the right decision for yourself. Step 6. Make a plan. Decide your investment amount. Investment only a part of your surplus cash amount. Decide your time frame. Allocate the funds to an asset class. Determine your risk reward ratio. Track and review the portfolio. Step 7. Analyze the market. To analyze the market, you need to understand there are two types of research, which are technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is widely used for trading purpose, and fundamental analysis will help you to find out the right stocks for your long-term investment. If you want to learn more on this, you can check out our other videos. Step 8. Understand the brokers and open a demat account. Broker stands at third place in the entire stock market process. They facilitate trading and open demat account on behalf of the depository. They are basically of two types. One, full service broker. Second, discounted broker. Full service broker provides trading, platform and advisory services, whereas discounted broker provides only a trading platform. Step 9. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is the key. The more you practice, the more your chances of getting better in trading enhances. Step 10. Learn from your errors. If you want to become a trader or investor, it is very important to learn from your errors. Majorly errors happen due to the psychology of a human being, which can only improve with time. So here are the 10 steps to start investing in stock market. We are committed to provide you the right videos which will be helpful in taking your trading and investment decisions. So keep watching this space. You can like, share or subscribe this channel and get updated with the market.